Hello, all. So, I hope all of you are doing good. So, today in the morning, I found that many of you have missed the class. So, this video is for all of you. So, I'll be solving the problem number one, problem number two, and we have discussed the final project today, but many of you have missed. So, I will try to make another video for the final project. Okay, let's go to the problem. So, the problem number one, uncollectible accounts and write-off. So the company offers credit terms to its customers. At the end of 2021, accounts receivable total 670,000, and they have used the allowance method. And let's see the key numbers. So the allowance for uncollectible accounts had a credit balance of 41,000 at the beginning of the year, and 25,000 receivables were written off during the year as uncollectible, and 2,100 cash was received in December from a customer whose account previously had been written up. And the company estimates bad debts by applying a percentage of 15% to accounts receivable. And the first one is prepare journal entries to record the write-off of receivables, the collection of 2,100 for the, okay, that's, and let's go. The first one is we have to calculate the bad debt expense first, okay? Let's start with beginning balance. Beginning balance is, see, this is the beginning balance, okay? 41,000, so 41,000. Then less accounts receivable written off, and that is 25,500. So you can see this has been written off 25,500, and then add collection of receivables, okay, that was previously written off, and 2,100, okay. So equal to sum, we can just use the sum function. So 17,000, this one is the balance before the year end adjustment. Sorry. Okay. And then required balance is 15% of the total accounts receivable. So 15% of 670,000, okay. So it should be equal to 670,000 multiplied by 1. Okay, so this one, right? And now bad debt expense balance on 12/31 would be equal to sum of these two, and definitely we have a negative balance. So 82,900 is our bad debt expense, okay. And let's go to the journal entries that we will be recording. So the first one is allowance for collectible accounts. So that one is 25,500, and then accounts receivable 25,500, okay. And the second one is for the writing off, okay. So what would be the entry? Accounts receivable debit 2,100, and allowance for uncollectible accounts, and that goes to 100. This one is to reinstate accounts receivable, okay? And number 3, say we have received cash, right? So there's one. So cash is 2,100 and accounts receivable 2,100. Okay. And finally, number 2 is how would accounts receivable be shown in the year-end balance sheet. Okay, and let's see how to do that. So accounts receivable is 670,000. Then allowance, for uncollectible, and that is can you remember we have calculated this amount, okay? So 100,500, so it should be 100,500, okay? And we can use the sum function because we have positive, negative. So this is the amount, okay? That should be recorded in the balance sheet. So you can write net. And it's okay. This is how we record it, okay?